Wel, dyna gyffroes, mae Julian Lewis Jones yn dod I mewn heddiw.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that. I like him a lot.
Yeah,
good actor.
Iwan ta. Da ni eisiau gwybod dipyn bach am Julian. I'll tell you a little bit about him so we know beth I ofyn iddo fe iawn. Mae'n dod o Ynys Môn yn wreiddiol. Yeah, a fi hefyd. Ynys Môn.
Nice.
Ac mae o'n hoffi pysgota. Pysgota, fishing.
Fishing. Oh, okay.
Pysgota
yeah, I know he likes
bysgod.
fishing, yeah. He's mad about fishing.
Ydy mae o.
Carry
Ti'n hoffi pysgota?
Na, fi ddim yn licio pysgota.
Ond gallwn ni ofyn I Julian am pysgota.
Okay.
How big was the last fish you caught? He'll lie, won't he?
Yeah, oh, massive. Yeah, shark.
Mae o'n actor. Actor ydy e.
Actor.
Ac mae o wedi actio mewn dramau Saesneg fel Belonging.
Yeah.
Dwi'n licio Belonging. Where the Heart Is, Spooks.
Where the Heart Is, Spooks.
A Stella nawr hefyd.
Stella yn dda. Yeah.
Ac mae wedi actio yn Caerdydd ac mewn ffilm Cymraeg Solomon a Gaynor.
A ffilm Saesneg.
Am Nelson Mandela.
Invictus.
Gyda Morgan Freeman.
Yeah.
Morgan Freeman.
Morgan Freeman.
A Clint Eastwood yn cyfarwyddo.
Da iawn.
Mae lot o bethau gallen ni holi fo.
Guest dda.
We've got loads to ask him about. Right, ffwrdd â ni.
Yay!
Sut gyfres. Now, sit, okay, means how.
How.
Like, sit wyt ti. Ond mae hefyd yn golygu yn fan hyn, right? It also means, like, what kind of? Yeah, so what kind of series? So you say, sut gyfres ydi, da-da-da-da.
Okay. Sut gyfres ydi?
Stella.
Stella.
Because I know nothing about it. Just that everybody raves about it, iawn?
Yeah.
Felly, sut gyfres ydi Stella? Beth ydi sut gymeriad? Character.
Character. Okay.
Iawn? So, well...
What character?
So, sut gymeriad ydi XYZ.
XYZ.
Iawn?
Yeah. Nesa?
Hapus gyda hwnna? Nesa?
Yeah. Sut nes ti?
Sut nes ti? Felly, sut nes ti ddechrau actio? How did you start acting? Sut nes ti ddechrau pysgota?
How did you start fishing?
Fishing.
This is going to be very interesting because he's done so many things, isn't he? Belonging, everything. He's done so many dramas, films. He's such a busy, busy man.
Ydy, ond dyn ni yn mynd I ddangos clip ohono fo yn pysgota.